So you can actually see the food cooking inside it with the light. So I'm gonna come back after the 25 minutes time is up. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Candy indoor grill slash air fryer. So on this video is gonna be an unboxing, a product overview. I'll show you how it works, all the great features it has, and then at the end I'll give my overall feedback. So let's get into it. Okay, so once you take off all the protective tape and foam, you open it up, and then you have more stuff in here. It brings a cleaning brush. You have a regular sized pan right here. You have this bigger pan, so you do it like so. You can put this like this. You can even put this like here if you want to grill something, just like that. So you have different ways to use these, all the different functions. So you can use this as the grilling, and then you use this one as the air fryer figure. On the side right here is where the thermometer is. So you open like this. It's hidden right here. Take out the plug, unravel it. You slide it out, and this plugs in to the little port right there. And then it's very convenient if you want to check the internal temperature of your meats using this. On the top of the air fryer, it even gives you instructions how to place the thermometer, and even the recommended cooking temperatures and time for the specific meats that you're trying to cook. Okay, so when you first plug it in and you turn it on, you press this button here. So it already has the grill settings, right? So you have your low temperature. If you press temp, you can change the knob right here. So even when you turn this knob, you're changing the temperature to how you want it. So max temperature is 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Low temperature is 400 on the grill settings. If you want to change the time, you press the time button, and then you can change your time. So you have your air crisp setting right here. You're able to change the temperature if you press the temp, and then you turn the knob. It goes up to 430. If you want to change the time, you press time, and you can change the time. It goes all the way up to 50 minutes. And then if you turn the knob again, it switches it to roast, and you can change the temperature and the times. You press time. You can go all the way up to about 2 hours on a roast. You can do bake. You can do dehydrate, reheat, and keep warm. So after I cleaned all the pans, I'm gonna heat up some frozen tater tots. So I already cleaned this pan. I have my fry basket pan right here. I'm gonna put it like so, and then put my frozen foods in here. So I'm gonna heat up some tater tots. And so it holds a decent amount of items inside the fry basket. I'm gonna place some frozen nuggets in here also. So this fry basket holds a decent amount of objects in here. So this is great. Turn the on button. I'm gonna turn it to bake because I like to bake it. You can either bake it or you can use the air fry feature. I like to bake. So bake, I'm gonna leave it at 350, and I'm gonna change the time to about 25 minutes. And then you're gonna press the start button. So you can actually see the food cooking inside it with the light. So I'm gonna come back after the 25 minutes time is up. So once the timer is finishing, it's letting you know that you have a few seconds to take out the food and open it up. So let's take it out. You can see how nice and crispy that the tater tots look. So this is great for reheating frozen foods, for cooking meats, or any type of food that you want to cook with the air fryer or even with the grill. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great indoor grill slash air fryer. I like how convenient the size is. I like how easy it is to set it up. Cleaning this is very easy after you finish cooking. I like how deep that the pans are, and this holds a lot of food. So this is a great air fryer for anybody that likes to use the air fryer or even use the indoor grill inside the house or apartment. I also like how this has different preset settings on here, so you can use the indoor grill and then either use the air crisp, the roast, the broil, and I also like how you're able to customize the different temperatures to times that you want to use it for. So this is a great product to have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. So let's see how the waffle looks now. Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this candy Lego waffle maker. So on this video is going to be a product overview, and I'll show you how this product works, and then at the end I'll give my overall feedback. So let's get into it. So this is how the candy Lego waffle maker looks. You have a rubber handle here to lift it and to carry it. You have your heat settings, your timer. You have different trays for sandwiches. This is like a frying tray, and then here's your sandwich tray. Then here's a hand to open it. And this is how the inside looks. So when you make your waffles, they'll look like Lego pieces that are put together. It's very cool. And then on the back, you have a place to wrap your cord when you're not using it. So it is recommended by the manufacturer to let it heat up for about 5 to 8 minutes the first time you use it, just to get rid of any residue and oils. If you want to change out the plates, all you do, you push down these buttons, it lifts up, and then you insert like so, and it pushes in place. So it's very easy to set up. So this is how the heating element looks from the bottom and the top. So it covers the majority of the whole surface. So the waffles will heat up evenly, and even when you make sandwiches also. So I already preheated the griddle. So I'm gonna put my waffle / pancake mix inside. So you just pour it through. So once you have all the cavities filled up with your pancake or waffle mix, then you lower it, push it down, and then you set the timer for like 7 minutes. And now it's gonna start cooking. The good thing about this waffle maker is that even when it's cooking, this handle has 5 different notches, so you could check to see how the waffle is cooking while the heating elements are still on. I still have 3 minutes left on the timer, so let me lift this up a little bit just to see how it's looking. So you can see how it's kind of looking good. So after 7 minutes of cooking on medium heat, so let's see how the waffle looks now. So it's very easy to take out. Okay, so this is great for kids to eat, and they eat it with their fingers, and they like playing with Legos, and they can stack it at the same time while they're eating. So once you're finished using it, you're gonna wrap up the cord on the back. You're gonna wrap the cord. And then it has a convenient clip here to hold the plug in place. And then you bring it to the sink, and you just unclip here, and you just shake it off. You can use a light cloth, and then you could just wash it with a mild soap and water, and you do the same thing to the top. Wait until the pans cool off a little bit, and then you're pretty much done with the cleaning process. So it's very easy to clean also. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great Lego waffle maker. I like how easy it is to use. I like how detailed that the griddle pans are. I like how the controls has a separate control for the heat and your timer. I also like how it's easy once the waffles are done that the waffles come out. And I also like how it comes with 2 different sets of pans that you can either make paninis or different sandwiches and even use this as a frying pan. This is a great gift idea for Lego lovers and waffle lovers combined. And I like how the product looks. It looks very cool and stylish, and this is a great buy. Thanks for watching.